In today's video, I'm going to show you how these hackers get into your Instagram account. So, before we run into that, kindly know that there is a disclaimer here. This video is made strictly for educational purposes only. The content shared is needed to help viewers learn, understand, and improve their knowledge in cybersecurity and related fields. Under no circumstances should the information be used for hacking, exploiting systems, engaging in illegal activities, or causing harm to individuals, organizations, or networks. Any misuse of the information from the video is solely the result of the video. Policy Point does not endorse, encourage, or condemn any form of illegal activity. Always users use responsibly and within the boundaries. But before we run into this, don't forget to subscribe to Policy Point. Many of you are running to Google by typing in how to hack Instagram accounts. As you can see, you get a lot of results. How to hack into Instagram, this is an ellipse center. How to hack into an Instagram account to get you a lot of results. You can see I can show you more than 1,000 results. You can read through them, you can help you. But in this video, I just want to show you how helpful it is. Just imagine waking up one morning and realizing your Instagram account has been hacked. All your photos, messages, and memories are gone. In this video, I'm going to show you the most common tricks hackers use to target Instagram accounts, and more importantly, how you can protect yourself and keep your account safe, even if you think you are smart to be hacked. Some of these tricks do not fool anyone, so stay tuned. Before we talk about our protecting circle, let's quickly look at the tricks that are often used to break in the first trick. The first trick is called the link. I can send fake links that look like Instagram. You log in and then you have your username and password. With this, a hacker will send you an email or send you a text message on your Instagram or other social media account, and then they'll send you a kind of message like this. You can read through, and then they'll tell you to verify your account. So when you try to click on verifying an account, it asks you for your user logins. Then when you enter in your user logins, the user will just get your account password. And then besides that, there is some trick I want to show you and see what happens next, now. But before I run to that trick, there is this second trick, which is a weak password. Some of you use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Those are very weak passwords, so easy to guess, so kindly avoid them. Then there's some trick I want to show you. It's called the Insta Hacker. As you can see, it's an Insta Hacker. Many people are using this, and these are accounts which have been hacked, as you can see. So, let me show you. Can this be hacked or not? As you can see, InstaHack will ask for the username, and I will start with my username, which is 256. By the way, you can follow me on Instagram and 56. And then we'll do the launch when you click on launch. Let me see. When you click on launch, it will start to retrieve the account already tracked, as you can see. So let me try it out with another one. That's it. I'll try it on with another account, as you can see. Yes, I'm trying with another one. As you can see, it's metadata access, also another account. You can also follow me, so it will start generating. As you can see, it will start synchronizing the server, Instagram console, and Linux system copyright, then the API ID, then the evaluation code and the connection algorithm. I've started on connection to the database, so they connect to the server, as you can see. So the reason as to why I'm showing you this is to make you aware of how hackers can get into your accounts. We can avoid these acts one by one, so kindly subscribe to the Policy Point so we can go on the connection. The host, the username, they will apply the algorithm, the buffer overflow system, as you can see. Then they will send a SMS verification code to the user, and then they are intercepting the verification code. As you can see, by intercepting the verification code, this is 30%. Yeah, this will run up to 100%. One is to get runs up to 100%. Then it's all done. And I want you to go on in the comment section and comment on whether it has been hacked or not. Before I continue, I want to use this opportunity to tell you that there's so much I can't share on YouTube, whether it's because of platform rules or because some skills need deeper hands-on explanations. Many of my videos got deleted, and that's why I created a Policy Point learning community for you, a place where I can share everything. When you join, you're not just getting another course, you're getting access to complete ethical hacking guides, the tools and techniques I wish someone had handed me when I was starting out. And here's the kicker. This is the stuff I don't teach on here. No watered down content, no clickbait, just raw, actionable knowledge. On top of that, you'll join an exclusive community on Discord. I pinned the link in the comments section below, but it's not for everyone. The link is only available for those who are serious about the journey. Back to the video. As you can see, this is the username of the account. We can follow up the Copying Data Act no matter what. Don't use this video for hacking. I'm just showing you how these hacks are used in general, how hackers use these methods to hack into your accounts. Kindly, let's just apply them one by one. So as you can see, there are logs of incoming and uploading photos and videos. They have generated the files here. They have already authorized the user validation data. The password from the link below. They are doing each and everything as you can follow up. You can see what you get so we can go one by one. Then we see how this will work out. We are on 83 servers and 100 right now. So it still fails to be successfully uploaded. They are sending received data. Kindly join our Telegram channel in case you have anything. Come to my DM section there. You can just message me. I'll help you out, or I'll protect you on how to protect your account. So don't run into these hacks kindly. In my next video, I'm going to show you how we can protect ourselves from hackers. I'm talking about all this because I want you to see how it will be done. I will be able to gain access to the following data packages, but kindly note that this is an annotation message and educational video. Don't use it for authorization.